Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook coriander mushroom soup. This soup is very tasty and healthy, and it is also very easy to cook. Hope you will like it. So now let's start. We first need to prepare some mushrooms and remove the buttons. Prepare the pan and add a little cooking oil. Put the mushrooms into the pan. Remember to move them a little bit to prevent them from sticking onto the bottom of the pan. Now turn them over. When you see the mushrooms are filled with juice, turn off the fire. Prepare a soup pot. Cut the mushrooms into slices. Add some hot water into the pot. Cover the pot and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. In the meantime, we can cut some coriander. For the seasoning, we only need to add a little salt in the end. That's it, super easy, right? Try it and you will never regret it. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you soon.